kitchen. Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite punch recipes. Summer is coming, Memorial Day is coming, and this is going to make a great backyard drink for your backyard barbecue. You're going to love this. It's so simple. It's so easy to throw together, and you're going to like it. And if you want to add a little bit of your own, adult liquids to this juice or this punch, then it's going to make it extraordinary. And without adding alcoholic drinks to that, the kids are going to love it without that. I like to call this my berry blend rainbow punch. It's so easy to make, requires just a few ingredients, and like I said, it's going to be a hit at your next backyard barbecue next week. So let's go over what we're going to be using today. All right, as you can see, I've got a cake pan, and you're thinking, what in the heck is she doing with her cake pan? I don't know if it's supposed to be this way, but I discovered, look what you can do. You can turn that upside down. Ta-da! And there is your punch bowl. Beautiful. I don't know if it doubles as that. I didn't read it on my package when I bought this many years ago. I don't know if you remember the old punch bowls back in the days. I don't know how many of you are close to my age, but you used to be able to buy the punch bowls, the big round punch bowls, and they had the little hooks and all the glasses hung off the sides of them. But I absolutely loved those. But this is going to work absolutely perfect for your punch. If you have a cake pan here, a dish, just flip it upside down. How convenient is that? I've got some Sprite here, and we're also using the V8 Splash Berry Blend. Now this is one of my favorite punches. If you want to go ahead and experiment with some of the other flavors, that's perfectly fine. But this has all kinds of different juice in it. It's got like cherry juice, and it's got grape and strawberry and raspberry. So it makes for a perfect punch. And then we've also got some, a big beautiful orange. We've got some limes and some lemons. And then the only thing else we're gonna need is the rainbow sherbet. And I did buy that, and that is in my freezer. But what you're gonna do with this is you're just going to combine these, and that's all you do. We're going to do like equal parts of the Sprite. And you know what? This is perfect too for like, a lot of the baby showers and stuff always like to do like rainbow punches, and they always offer a punch. But I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my punch bowl. Now this Sprite is 2 liters. So we're going to add just about half and half of each. You know, another good thing to use is ginger ale. Ginger ale makes for some of the best punch as well. And then you're going to add your V8 Splash. Oh, this is so good, and you can hear the fizzle. The smell is phenomenal. I didn't know if we can get that all in there, but usually you use about equal parts of it. And then we're just going to give this a nice little stir around. Just mix it around. Look how simple and easy is that. Beautiful. And then you're just going to add your fruit. And this fruit is going to also flavor your punch. With some extra deliciousness. Look how beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But then all you do is you just serve yourself some of this. Listen at it. Oh, it sounds amazing. Just, you hear that? See, it's got that carbonation in it, and this is absolutely perfect. Like I said, if you want to add a little bit of wine to it, or some vodka, if you want to make it an alcoholic beverage, that would be perfectly okay. Let me get a little napkin here. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I gotta have a little sip of it. Mmm. Oh, yes, 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 and yes. Yeah, the rest of these oranges. And then what I do is, let's kind of move this back a little bit here. Oh, that is so pretty. So, so pretty. Then you add just a nice little heaping couple spoons of your berry. Look at that. Look at that. It's almost like a dreamsicle type punch. It is absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you make this weekend. Make it tonight. It's so easy to make. And like I said, go ahead and play around with any of the juices that you want to play around with. You can do mango. You can add a little bit of the white grape juice in with it. Anything you want to add, but it comes together absolutely beautifully. And the rainbow sherbet just makes everybody happy. I mean, who doesn't love sherbet? Especially the rainbow sherbet. Make sure you give this a try very soon, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And you know I love you guys also very much. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat me. I'm on Sandy's Kitchen, and I hope you have a great weekend. It is Friday. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of adult liquids to mine, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Refreshing.